वेलकम टू अवर चैनल एवीएन नॉलेज। तो आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट। तो मैं आपको एक टॉपिक पर लेकर चल रहा हूं जिसका नाम है बिजनेस। सब्जेक्ट को पढ़ने से पहले सबसे पहले हमें पता होना चाहिए व्हाट इज द टॉपिक ऑल अबाउट, राइट? बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट। So if we divide this topic into two categories, number 1 and number 2. So first of all, we'll talk about business. What is business? Business itself defined busyness. That means if we are involving ourselves in any of the trading activities that comes in business, but it must be monetary. It must be monetary. It cannot be non-monetary. If we are doing something non-monetary, that will not consider as a business because we are not earning anything from the business, right? So this word is most important because monetary term is important, right? Because if we are selling something without money, that means that we are not doing a business. So let's take an example. I am buying something for rupees 100 and I am selling it for rupees 120. We are earning 20 rupees profit. Is that a business? Yes, it is, because we are earning something by buying something and selling something. Let's go to the another example. If I am buying something for rupees 100 and again I am selling for rupees 100, am I doing correct? No, because I'm not earning anything. So let's move to another example. I am buying for rupees 100 and I am selling for rupees 90. So that is simple loss. Is it a business? Yes. Business does not mean that every time we will earn money. It might be the possibility that we will lose something. So I hope you got my point. So if we are earning, if we are losing, we are earning or we are losing something, that's called business. So I hope you got my point. And business, I have defined everything about the business. Okay. Now the second word that it comes is management. So if I talk about the entire word that is management, business management. So we have already talked about business. Now we are coming to management. Business management. So managing the business is called business management. Managing business is called business management. How we can manage the business? Okay, so let's take a small example. Let's talk about our home, our school, and all other things. So, do you think without management everything is possible? No, because management is necessary. Let's talk about your home. Your father, your mother, your grandfather, or your grandmother is managing at your home, right? Say for example, if your home entire income rupees 50,000, that does not mean that you are saving entire 50,000. No, or it does not mean that you are spending entire 50,000. You are managing your money by spending some amount and by saving some amount. So that's total call management. So what you are doing is you are spending 30,000 rupees, you are saving 20,000 rupees. That's entire makes 50,000. So 20,000 is your management. If you will not manage your money, then you may face problem in your future. So management is necessary. No matter it's a business, it's your home, it's a hospital, it's a school, anything. Even management is also necessary in our life as well. Let's take an example. You are getting up in the morning, 9:30 or 10 in the morning, and you are not managing your day, right? So you will not get to know what to do, what not to do, and when to do and when not to do, right? So management is necessary. Everywhere it's necessary. I just told you hospitals, schools, our life, daily routine, business. So I hope you got my point now. Management is necessary for a business. If we are not managing our business properly, that means there is a possibility of loss. We may get any kind of loss. It may it can be any kind of blender, or it can be any kind of loss that may face in the future. So business management is necessary for every business. So I hope you got my point. First word is business and second word is management. So entire word makes business management. Still you have any questions? Just share and do subscribe our channel, that is AVN channel. Thank you so much.